Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies on a gas stove. Baking delicious cookies without a conventional oven is absolutely possible with a few simple adjustments. First, ensure you have a heavy-bottomed pan or a deep pot with a tight-fitting lid. This setup will create a makeshift oven, trapping heat effectively. We'll also discuss how to prepare your pan for even baking, ensuring your cookies turn out perfectly golden and chewy. Once your pan is preheated, it's time to set up the baking environment. You'll want to place a small metal stand or a thick layer of common salt at the bottom of your pan. This creates a crucial buffer, preventing direct heat from burning the cookie bottoms. Next, arrange your cookie dough balls on a greased baking sheet or parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Gently place this sheet onto the stand inside your preheated pan. Now cover your pan tightly with its lid. This is essential for trapping the heat and creating an even baking environment, much like a traditional oven. Maintain a consistent low flame throughout the baking process. For most cookies, you'll bake them for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on their size and thickness. Resist the urge to open the lid too often, as this releases heat and can affect baking time and texture. Once your cookies appear golden at the edges and set in the center, carefully remove the entire pan from the heat. Gently take out the baking sheet with your freshly baked cookies. It's important to let them rest on the baking sheet for about 5 to 10 minutes. They will continue to cook slightly and firm up during this time. Finally, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, ensuring a perfect texture before you enjoy your homemade gas stove cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.